Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the shipping country on the Amazon shopping application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Amazon shopping application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can use your email address and your password in order to log in. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now from here, you will see the Deliver To option at the top section. Just click on this drop down menu. And now you will be able to choose your location. You can either add your location from your address book, or you may also enter a zip code if you are inside the US. You may also choose the ship outside the US option, and you will now be able to choose your country from the list of countries and regions. Go ahead and click on your country or region, and now the store will only show you options of products that can be shipped to your location that you have just selected. And you will be able to change this option or setting at any time by going back to the same menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping location on the Amazon shopping application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.